Let's kick off the learning series where I will discuss the previous year question of UPSC CSE mains paper of electrical engineering optional, and I'll leave you with the points where you can be extra careful while dealing with the question in more interesting and easy way as we go along. It's part 7 of the series. This question was asked in 2010. A lossless coaxial cable has the two conductor diameter ratio of 2. Find its inductance, capacitance, and Z naught, assuming a filling of dielectric with a silent R is equal to 2.25. Coaxial cable has the two conductor diameter ratio of 2. So it is saying D by D is equal to 2. Now here we need to understand one thing. Now the diameter of this is saying D and the diameter of this is D. Now in the question it is saying D by D is equal to 2 and epsilon R is equal to relativity is given as relativity permittivity is given as 2.025, right? Now what are the things we need to calculate? We need to calculate inductance, we need capacitance, and we also need characteristic impedance. Okay, solution. So what is the formula for the calculation? L is equal to mu upon 2 pi ln dA by d. Mu upon 2 pi ln, what is the value of ln? We have 2. That is, what is the value of mu? Since it is lossless coaxial, so this will be 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 upon 2 pi ln 2. (1.386 into 10 to the power minus 7 Henry per meter). We got the first answer. For the calculation of capacitance, what is the formula? We know that 2 pi epsilon upon ln d by d. 2 pi epsilon can be written as epsilon r epsilon naught upon ln d by d is 2, right? So 2 pi, this the value of epsilon relativity is given, which is this is 2.025 and value of epsilon naught is 1 upon 36 pi into 10 to the power minus 9 upon what is the value of ln? This is 0.693. After calculating, see, this is 118. After calculating, we will get 1.6245 10 to the power 10 per meter. We have calculated C also. What is the formula of calculation of characteristic impedance? Z naught is equal to R plus J omega L upon G plus J omega C. We are talking about characteristic impedance, then L by C. This is, since it is lossless coaxial cable, what is the value of L? L is 1.386 into 10 to the power minus 7 upon 1.624 into 10 to the power 10. Is that not after the calculation? This will be 29.209. This is the answer. Hey, great to see you until this point. Please drop your doubt in the comment section if you have any. Please subscribe to the channel Sinc UPSC for such videos. There are plenty of videos coming up for other subjects too. Happy learning.